昼
In Japanese, this kanji means daytime, noon, and even lunch. But its older shape comes from a much deeper idea, drawing the line between day and night. In this lesson, we'll start with how to read this word in modern Japanese, then trace its origin back through ancient scripts. Let's first see how this character is read in modern Japanese. This character has two main readings. The Kun-yomi is
昼
used for words about daytime and lunch. The On-yomi is
ちゅう
used mainly in compound nouns.
昼
As a single word, it can mean the daytime hours, around noon, and even lunch. You will also hear this reading inside everyday words for during the day, lunch break, and a nap in the daytime.
昼間昼休み昼寝ちゅう
This is the On-yomi for the same character. In this reading, it mostly appears in compound words related to the daytime or the whole day.
ちゅうしょく
A more formal word for lunch, often used in writing and on menus.
ちゅうや
Literally day and night, referring to the whole 24 hours. Let's go back in time and see how this character's shape first began. When we look at the earliest forms of this character, we can see the sun with an added brush-like stroke. Some classical sources interpret that extra stroke as marking off daytime, the bright time after the sun has risen but before it sets, set against night. Over the centuries, these picture-like forms were regularized into written strokes and eventually simplified into the clear modern form used in Japanese today. To help your memory, imagine the top and bottom strokes as a window frame, and the square in the middle as the sun shining outside. When the sun is in the window, you know it is daytime. Now, let's look at how to write this kanji. Next time, we'll connect it to everyday expressions you can use for daytime and lunch breaks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.